Hey guys, Ed here. I'm doing a quick tour of Sheik Mohameds' helicopter. Look at this badass. He's going to give me lessons tomorrow. No, sand cars aren't nothing compared to that thing.
No, yes.
How you guys doing? Ed and Joe here with our buddy Mohammed. We're checking out his helicopter.
You go back a little bit. Let them see the helicopter.
It's gonna take us flying here probably tomorrow. You know, a little tour of the country. You just fed us a meal. We're sitting down because we're pretty full.
We just had lunch.
Now, Ed, where are you, Ed, now? Where are you now?
We are in the UAE in the town.
Called what?
Called what is
Queen?
The name, you said it yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Quinn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And we're here hanging out.
Okay.
What's up, folks? Well, I think all the seats are full in the helicopter, so they said I have to drive this and I can tow it out to the tarmac. This is my new little car. This is how I'm going to get around town. So maybe I can get a ride on the second ride.
Maybe.
All right, I gotta go.
Man.